Let me show you how you can remove all effects from your text on your videos in Canva. In case you're working on a video and the text has some kind of effects to it, you can always go ahead and click on the text, click on effects, and you want to scroll up and you'll find one of the styles that says none. Once you click on none, it removes it. Another thing that you want to do in case it has a particular shape to it that you want to basically change, scroll down and you want to look for none as well and click on none, and it's going to make the text go back to its default shape or default without style, right? So that's it. In case you want to change the color back to default, this you really have to know that it comes in white, and so you can just go back to the text color and just choose, for example, white, yeah, and it's going to go back to default, right? In terms of font as well, you basically have to change it back to one of those fonts, right? You can change it to whatever you want, right? And you can just basically use whichever font that you want and just work with that, right? So that's pretty much how you can easily go ahead and put back your text on your videos in default. Very easy and very simple.